Hi there, today we're going to learn how to find and remove blemishes in Photoshop. This also works for acne or stains, so duplicate the layer, and the first thing we have to do is to create a black and white adjustment layer. Then you can simply decrease the reds, so now you will be able to see all the blemishes. You can also decrease the yellows to see more details of blemishes. Now what happens is the image becomes a little darker. Then you can create a curves adjustment layer, put it under the black and white adjustment layer and just drag up the shadows. Now you see all the blemishes. At this point you can create a blank layer on top of the background layer or subject layer. Take the regular healing brush, the second one right over here, zoom in and sample from a non-blemish area. Hold the Alt key or the Option key, click on it and paint over the blemish. I will put it this a little bit faster so that you don't need to see this. So keep going, keep removing the blemishes, and when you are done, just delete the curves and black and white adjustment layer. And that's how you get blemish or acne for the skin on your photos. So you can see now the before and after. Thanks for watching, hope this video helped you, so don't forget to subscribe to and write down a comment if you have any question. See you next time for more Photoshop tutorials.